Excel is one of the most common tools people use at work, and one of the most frustrating. Even with AI, a lot of people still feel stuck. There's an assumption that AI should be able to just look at a spreadsheet and fix it, clean it, explain it, analyze it. And when that doesn't happen instantly, people assume the tool isn't very good. The problem usually isn't Excel, and it isn't AI either. Most spreadsheets aren't structured clearly enough for AI to understand what actually matters. AI can still produce something that looks reasonable. Numbers, summaries, explanations. But that doesn't mean it understands the business context behind the data. At this point, people spend time checking, correcting, and adjusting the output. That's when Excel still feels slow, even though AI is involved. AI works best as support. It can help reduce friction, but it can't decide what's important. If you use Microsoft Office at work and you're curious how Chatgpt can actually fit into everyday tasks, I've put together a practical guide that shows how it works in practice. You can find the link in the description below.